Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to MBTV Kids News. Here with Rodushi. Let's start with the headlines first. Brax Boxfield comics for children at book fair. Gazipur burns overturns mother-daughter death. China coronavirus death toll reaches 2,239. Now the details. The series wrapped up Friday morning with cartoonist and author Ahsan Habib and Brax Assistant Director of Health, Nutrition and Population Programs, Morshada Choudhury. This series with 6 educational books is available in one packet at the Amar Ekushe Book Fair. The book is available at Dhaka Comics at the mall's 122 stall. Each book printed in 4 colors has a page number of 20. Each book costs 5 rupees for the whole box. One-page sticker with the characters discussed in the comics. It will be available till the last day of the fair, the Bragg News release said. A woman and her 3-month-old daughter have been killed in a bus overturned in Kaliakor Upazila of Gazipur. The accident took place on the Dhaka-Tangail highway in the Mochak area of Kaliakor Upazila around 1 am on Sunday. The deceased were identified as Fatima Begum, wife of Idris Ali, and their daughter Arabi of a local board mill area. Konabari Highway Police Inspector said, Mujibur Rahman said Fatima was going to Dhaka with a girl on a bus travelling from Chandra to Ajmeri. On the way, Ajmeri's bus overturned on the highway as it passed another car in front of the Purani garment area. The mother and daughter died on the spot. Several other passengers of the bus were injured, Inspector Mujibur Rahman said. The head of the World Health Organization has expressed concern at the number of coronavirus cases with no clear link to China or other confirmed cases. Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus' comments follow Iran's announcement of 2 more deaths, bringing the total there to 4. The window of opportunity to contain the virus was narrowing, he said. Iranian health officials said the virus may already be in all Iran cities. Outside China, 1,152 cases of the virus have been confirmed in 26 countries and there have been 8 deaths. They include 2 deaths in South Korea, which has the biggest cluster of confirmed cases apart from China, and a cruise ship quarantined in Japan. An evacuation flight carrying 32 British and other European passengers has taken off from Japan and is due to land in England later on Saturday. On Friday, doctors in Italy said a 78-year-old man became the first person in the country to die from the new coronavirus, ANSA news agency reported. Earlier in the day, Italy announced 16 more cases and its health minister said schools and offices would be closed and sports events cancelled in the affected regions. China has reported 75,567 cases, including 2,239 deaths. The new virus, which originated last year in Hubei province in China, causes a respiratory disease called COVID-19. These were the latest updates from Kids News on my hand. I am inviting you all to watch the next news. Till then, Allah Hafiz.